Hey guys, my name is Dan and welcome to another Nightlife Bartenders video. In today's video, I'm going to talk to you about how to ask your customers for money. Now, for somebody starting off new in the bartending world, this might be an intimidating thing to go through to ask somebody for money because you don't want to sound too demanding, you don't want to sound rude, you don't want to sound like it'll be 20 bucks. And when they don't give the money, you don't want to get antsy and be like, hey man, give me the money, I need to go. So how could you avoid this situation where making a transaction and asking a customer for money is just as smooth as possible? Well, this is how you do it. So normally when you go to a customer and let's say you just think to ask them for the money straight on, let's say a customer, for example, ordered 2 Jack and Cokes. So you tell them, all right, it'll be $20. You set the drinks down on the bar and you tell them the price. All right, it'll be $20. And you're expecting them to just give you the money. But the thing is, sometimes customers are too drunk. They're like really buzzing hard and it doesn't really affect them when you tell them the price. They're just like sitting there and they grab the drink and then they slowly bring it to their mouth and they just start sipping it. And you're getting frustrated because you're like, oh my God, I have so many customers around me that need my service right now, but you're really holding me up. So in order to just straight up avoid that, this is what I do. Instead of just being like, it'll be 20 bucks, I say, all right guys, it'll be $20. Will you be paying cash or credit? So that's the tip. You say, will you be paying cash or credit? So when you say that, even if they're like buzzing hard, it's like they have to respond now. It's a question. So they feel like they have to respond right now. But versus, let's say, the alternative where you just tell them the price, period, at the end of that sentence. It'll be $20, period. They don't feel a need to respond sometimes. So they'll just not respond. So if you tell them in this way, and then you ask them a question, all right, will you be paying cash or credit? Now they have to think. Now they have to respond. They'll start thinking is, which way are they going to pay? And they could only conclude with that is that the bartender is now asking for the money for the drinks. And then they just start moving, giving you the cash, and then boom, you're done with the transaction. But you can see how this tip is very important because if you're at a fast-paced bar and there's so many customers trying to get your attention, this could really free you up to just make one transaction after another so you can maximize your profits for the night.